So what is a rejected listing? A rejected listing is one that has ended up in the expired files on the MLS inventory. There are only a few reasons why a listing would expire. Number one could be the condition. It could be that the condition of the property is such that repairs need to be done. This cost must be factored into the pricing. Generally, if the buyer wants to take on these repairs, the buyer will consider the property worth a little bit less than what it's going to cost them on these repairs. So to get the most money out of your property, repairs should be done as much as possible before market. If it's not feasible to do repairs, then a price correction is going to be needed to offset those needed repairs. Number two is the location. Location is one of those things that you really can't control. Maybe the property is far away from shopping, down a dirt road, or next to a less desirable property. This will cause the value to be less than what other homes have sold for a better location. So if you may need to adjust the price if the location is the issue. Number three, marketing. What kind of marketing is being done on the home? Is it visible to the masses? Is it attractive to the masses? To get the most prospects for a home, it should be advertised on every web avenue possible and presented in the very best light possible with photography and descriptions that really accent the property. The photography and the description must hook the prospect and draw them in for a closer look. And now for number four, is the big one, the price. If the price isn't right, it's not going to sell. Trying a higher price just to start off is going to cost you thousands of dollars. This will result in a needed price reduction and increased days on the market, which will cause prospects to start asking, what is wrong with this one? Now, it might be okay to stretch it just a little bit to the highest end of the market, but going over the market will not be helpful, and it cause your listing to end up in the expired files on the MLS.